Ever wondered what it takes to power the next wave of artificial intelligence? I'm talking about something more than just clever chatbots, flashy crypto coins. Let's dive into Near Protocol, the blockchain built from the ground up for AI. So, what is Near? Think of it as the ultimate playground for developers who want to build intelligent, decentralized apps. Near isn't just another blockchain, it's a high-performance AI-native platform, designed to connect Web 2, Web 3 worlds. Here's where things get interesting. Near combines three powerful ideas. First, user-owned AI. The AI agents you interact with actually work for you, not some faceless corporation. Your data, your rules. Second, intense. Chain abstraction, seamless, goal-driven transactions across multiple blockchains. No need to worry about the techie details. Third, sharded blockchain architecture, super fast, super scalable, low cost. So apps work smoothly, even at internet scale. Why does this matter? Imagine trusting your AI assistant with your most important tasks, knowing it's secure, private, truly yours, or building apps that tap into the power of old-school web and the decentralized future, all in one place. Near gives AI the infrastructure it needs not just to exist, but to thrive. So whether you're a developer, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious about the future, Near Protocol is laying the foundation for a new era of user-owned AI-native applications. It's not just about making blockchain easier, it's about making AI accessible, safe, and powerful for everyone. That's Near Protocol, blockchain for AI, built for the real world.